Alright, just got this boot changed out. As you can see, it was focus. Pretty bad. This is the boot that goes from the air filter to the carb. So we don't want any dirt and water getting sucked up in there, so I think it's 15 bucks or something. I'll put a link to this. Alright, let's finish these seat covers. Alright, got these covers on. They fit pretty nice. This is an 05, so I'll put the link below for them. Pretty simple. I pulled off the headrest because it was just easier. They are T25 Torx, and then they just Velcro across. You could probably slip it under there, but I just took it off. And then the back one just has a single clip right here that loops up from the bottom in the middle, and then they all have this pull string that goes around the outside, and you just tighten it like a backpack. Same thing on this one. Had two Velcro straps, and then it has a pull string all the way around it. I'll probably just wear them in a little bit. They'll fit nicer, and then I'll pull the pull string tight again, and that'll be pretty nice. So I'm happy with those. It looks way better. Looks like a brand new machine now. I did buy a roof too. Well, I was gifted a roof, but thought it would fit. It's not for this type, it's for the newer Polarises, so I gotta send that back. But Quad Gear is the brand, good stuff. And now I did get a windshield from Quad Boss, so let's pull this thing out of here and install that, because when you're driving this in the cold, it gets cold. And I'm also hoping it can still fit with that light bar. That's my one concern. I might have to mount the light bar differently. We'll see. See how this goes. mid case, I guess you call it. It's actually the case that shifts here, and they've done some work to this, which might be why it's not going into high. And I'm going to adjust that right here. I'll probably look at that in a minute. But we're also going to check this fluid, and looks like I gotta put this on here. Get a clamp on that. Okay, so I have an 8mm in here. Let's see if we can break this loose without any heat. I don't have my metric socket kit with me, so this is gonna have to do. So see if anything comes out. If it's all water, we're screwed. Oh yeah, there's some in there. Okay. It's red though. Why would it be red? Alright, I'm just gonna put that back on. That looks okay. Someone was definitely in here before. Which might be why it's red, but right now I'm not gonna change it. Okay. Now the main case here, this is the drain. I think that's the fill. I'm gonna check my book real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna check my book. Okay, so I'm going to move on to my shift linkage here, and this transmission will not engage in high range. So what I've done is I've put this in neutral. It's pretty loose in itself there. Okay, so shit there. This doesn't throw off my low gear. Okay, let's see what happens. that didn't help any. I think I have a stripped gear in there. So I'm just gonna leave it for now, and we'll drive it in low for a little bit, and then we'll tear that thing apart. But alright, let's look at the front differential.